You might be wondering a good question. How do they make these amazing trailers? Actually, they do it with something called Higgsfield. Let's check it out. Can you create movie-like AI videos? The answer is yes. But how? How are people making movie trailers? How are people making awesome videos with AI? And a lot of people just thought AI up until this point was maybe some, LLM answers, maybe some type of like music with Suno, which is very cool. Don't get me wrong, but Higgsfield allows you to do way more than that. So what can you do with Higgsfield? You can make literal movie-looking trailers or animations just like these ones. So let's check it out. So learn to make movies, not to just generate movies. So this actually shows that, hey, you can make cool stuff with AI. You can make a lot of interesting things with AI right here. So if you want to make video, you want to make audio, there's so much stuff here. It's sometimes overwhelming. Like you can actually see the videos here. So what do you want to do? I would go ahead and get logged in, and then we can check out Higgsfield right here and see the generation. So I'm logged in here, and yes, they're going to hit you with that, but we're going to come to videos. Now, let's talk about the video generation here. So they have a cinema studio, but they have tons of different generations. So just say, generate a frog dancing. And you can select the model. That's the big one. Do you want Seedance? Do you want Gemini? Do you want Kling? How long do you want it to be? And you get a certain amount of credits. So keep in mind, based on that certain amount of credits, this is what you're going to do. So here you can see what they offer for the personal plan. You can apply a promo code, but without getting into that, we can see the different models, what they have right here. And you can also see how many credits you have on the free plan. Now, I've used up my credits, but you can see that you can just type something here, pick a model, pick the amount of seconds, pick auto, pick the generation that's going to have the resolution. And then you can say if you want high or standard. Now, I've done a few in my history just to show you how it works, because this is really, really cool to check out. So you can come to your history, see the different things that you've generated if you have any. You can also see how it works. You upload an image, you choose the preset, and then you make a video. Now, what do the videos exactly look like? Well, you can come to Higgsfield and see for yourself. So like I was showing here, you can actually see, Higgsfield Academy. They're making actual, this looks like anime trailers. This looks like real videos. This is not just like an old anime, video or an old video that you might see somewhere else. And they have the Seedance model as well. So this can make ultra realistic stuff right here. So I'm very impressed with this. And this is how you can generate videos on the fly. If you like this, smash that like button, hit that subscribe button, hit that notification bell. I'll catch you in the next one.